I will talk about how can you create Viziogram on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on Viziogram. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on create, so then it's going to take you to this list. So you just click here on get started here, then come to this list here. So before that here you select image and videos, then here add title and here same to, then no reference font here. If you have it, can you add it? Add here a friend, you add here a friend, then you click in this side and it's going to create video. That's all you have to do. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.